Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So friends, in the earlier video we have discussed about the trading account. So this is going to be our lecture 16 of economics for engineering, okay? And here we will discuss about the very important topic, that is the profit and loss account, okay? So this is basically again short lectures about 10 to 15 minutes, okay? And in this video we will basically go through that how to formulate profit and loss account, and basically what is the concept of balance sheet, basic idea, okay? And at last basically we will do some numerical question, one or two question, that is sufficient, okay? Remember guys, again saying, as I've already said, trading account and profit and loss account is very important, and once your short question will came from this side, okay? So be careful and try to understand all that thing, that whatever I am telling, okay? So before we do the video, if you are new here to my channel, support and share this video with more and more friends, okay? So let me start. So first of all, profit and loss account, as it is clear from the word that this is type of account where we basically depict profit and loss, means whatever the company that they are getting profit or loss, we will depict there, okay? So it is basically second of final account, okay? And it measures net profit or net loss, means overall profit or loss kitna ho raha, okay? Or whatever the net gain or loss the company is getting, that we will depict in the profit and loss account. It take into consideration, that is the indirect, okay, office and administrative related income expenses, means it basically take the indirect, or you can say office and administrative related expenses, okay? So this is the important things you should keep in mind. Just आपको याद रखना कि this will basically depict the profit and loss account. Now coming to the important thing that I have already said in the trading account too, इसमें भाई कुछ आपको ध्यान रखना है, okay? So what you have to do, or basically what you have to put on the left side, okay, or profit side, profit and loss account, okay? So gross loss, that is from the trading account. Carriage outward, that is the transportation charge. Already मैंने बताया था कि carriage outward means transportation charge. जो भी सैलरी रहा, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, स्टेशनरी, कॉम, कमीशन पे, डिस्काउंट गिवन, प्रोविजन ऑफ डेब्टर, बैड डेब्ट्स, एडवर्टाइजमेंट चार्ज, मीन्स कोई भी कंपनी भाई क्या होता है, एडवर्टाइजमेंट चार्ज लगाता है, सो दैट ऑल विल बी पुट ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड, और कौन से डेबिट साइड. Then insurance premium, interest paid, depreciation, taxes. Already I have discussed the term depreciation, means when the price of a particular good decreases, okay, at a certain interval of time. Then taxes, dividend. Already I have already discussed about the dividend. So आप लोग का ये term clear होना चाहिए, okay? और if you haven't watched that video, then go through that, because that is the again important. So without understanding the previous video, you can't go through this, okay? So first watch that video, okay? अगर आपका concept clear है dividend वगैरह के बारे में, then you can go through, means you can continue this video. Then net profit, okay? So these are the things that you should keep in mind, okay? And you should put all this on the left side, or you can say debtor side. Again करेंगे guys, gross loss, जो भी loss company का हुआ, carriage outward, whatever the transportation charges that company are facing, okay? Or basically that they put salary, electricity, stationery, commission paid, discount, provision of debtor, bad debts, advertisement charge, insurance premium, okay? So let me come to the items on the credit side, okay, or you can say on the right side. So right side में भाई आपको क्या क्या रखना है, gross profit, whatever the profits that you are getting, that is from the trading account, then commission earned, then discount received, then interest received, then net loss, okay? So these are the things that you should keep in the right side, okay? Even guys, again I have said that both are related, okay? So first of all you have to form the trading account, okay? And according to that, basically you have to show the profit and loss account, okay? Or you can also directly show the profit and loss account, but आप concept clear रख लें कि trading account किस तरह से बनाता है, that I have already discussed in the earlier lecture. So let me come to the standard format of the profit and loss account. So this I have already discussed for the trading account too, okay? So similar to that, here you have to write just profit and loss account in the books, that is the in company name, या जो भी क्वेश्चन में आपको दिया रहेगा, XYZ Limited as on this 31/3/2020. Again saying guys that your financial year end at 31st March, okay, and begin at April, okay? So be careful in doing this. Next आपको भाई already मैंने बताया कि that in a left side, okay, that is on the debit side, you have to write the gross loss, salaries, add outstanding indirect expenses, and at last you have to write the net profit, okay? So these are the things that you should write too. Now coming to the next, that is the on right side you have to write the gross profit, okay, interest on less advance, okay, and indirect income, net loss, okay? So these are the things that you should write. Remember guys, format भी दिया गया that in right side you have to write this, means आपको second column में लिखना है less advance, okay? Means जो भी advance आपको लिया, that you have to just subtract and you have to write in this part, okay? So this is the standard format for profit and loss account. Let me come to an example. After that it will be much clear. So this is the example. The following balance extracted from the books of Big and Co Company Limited, means आपको कंपनी का नाम ऊपर में क्या लिखना है, Big and Co Company, okay? And these are the value that they have given. The gross profit 20,000, advertisement charge 3,000, bonus 10,500, discount allowed 4,000, plant and machinery 80,000 and depreciate at 10% means per year by 10% दिया गया. Okay, अगर कहीं नहीं लिखा गया, मेंशन नहीं किया that per year what, then you have to consider as a general as a per year means per year depreciated it will 10,000. Now discount received will be 2,500. So discount received you have to write on where, that is on this side. Okay, means I have already discussed the format too. Okay, और discount वगैरह receive जो करेंगे then you will write on the right side. Okay, or you can say on a credit side. So these are the things आपको ध्यान में रहा, then you can easily prepare that, no need to worry about that. Okay? Then furniture cost 20,000, depreciated 5%, discount received 2,500. Already said insurance paid up to rupees 30 means up to date 31st March 2006, that is rupees 6,000. Salaries 18,500, rent is 6,000, bad debts 3,000, and prepare profit and loss account. Okay, so you have to basically prepare a profit and loss account. Again guys saying this type of question once your question will came either trading account or profit loss account, एक question जरूर आएगा, so be careful. Okay, coming to the solution, so this is the basically things I have prepared. Remember guys that whatever the solution that I am saying that it will basically it may vary from question to question. Okay, so question to question भाई ये vary कर सकता है. Okay, ऐसा नहीं इसमें अगर big and co limited है then you have to write just big and co limited. Okay, you have to write some other things through. Okay, so let me discuss these things. So first of all, here on the left side you have to write particular advertisement, bonus, discount allowed, depreciation, and all that things you have to basically write. Then again depreciation, that is the 10%. They have already said depreciation on furniture, that is 5% on 20,000. Okay, salaries, rent, bad debts, insurance paid, all you have to write on the left side. Okay, and at last you have to write the less advance means advance भाई जो भी आपका है उसको क्या करना, reduce करना. Okay, so this we all write on the left side. Now coming to on the right side आपको क्या लिखना है, gross profit, discount receive. Okay, आप देख सकते हैं both in a basically either you can say in a trading account and profit loss account, both are same means आपको ये फॉर्मेट तो सेम ही है. पर्टिकुलर ऊपर में जो लिखना है बस you have to change that profit and loss account and there you have to write on trading account. So these are the things we have done. Okay, and I hope that it will clear. Okay, क्योंकि मैं already profit loss account में sorry trading and account में already I have discussed in a detail. So just you have to write all that things and just जो भी data दिया है just आपको रखना है. Okay, and basically you have to do a rough work. Okay, so total of debit side 59,000. Debit side means what, this side similarly आपको sum करेंगे then you will get the value as 29,000. Okay, so similarly total on the credit side just you have to do all that things and rough work we will basically done, that is the 22,500. Okay, so simply भाई दोनों को sum कितना है 20,000 plus 2,500, so you will get total on debit side that is 22,500. So here you can clearly visualize that debit side 59,000, credit side 22,000. Okay, means credit आपके पास आ रहा है just 22,000 and you are basically investing for 59,000 means you are in a loss. Okay, so net loss will be what, since debit is greater than credit so you are in a loss. अगर क्रेडिट ज्यादा रहा means credit means what, आपके अकाउंट में अगर ज्यादा पैसा आ रहा then you are in a profit. Okay, so since you are in a loss, so since you have to just subtract it, so you are in a loss of 36,500. Okay, now at last you have to basically prepare the final trading account. Okay, so final trading account में बस आपको क्या करना है, loss and profit आपको बस show करना. Okay, so these are the things that you should keep in mind. So these are the basically same things, just मैंने क्या इसमें ऐड किया हूँ, the just net loss and net advance. Okay, net advance तो already I think that इसमें भी था. Okay, net advance already, just we have added here profit and loss. Okay, and total summary we have basically right here. Okay, so net loss आपको कितना मिला 36,500. अब देख सकते हैं दोनों में बस अंतर क्या है, लास्ट में बस मैंने ऐड कर दिया net loss. Okay, और अगर net profit होता then we will write on the net profit. Okay, so just you have to do all that things and after that net loss will be what, 36,500. so these are the value you have to write. So I hope clear. Let me come to one last example, that is the illustration 2. I think I will just give you hint there. Okay, and you have to understand by own. Okay, because मैं वीडियो ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं करना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि ऑलरेडी 2 से 3 एग्जाम्पल ऑलरेडी मैंने सॉल्व कर दिया. Okay, प्रीवियस वीडियो में 2. So let me come to the question. Okay, I will make you understand the question and after that you have to find solution by your own. Okay, I will also give some hint too. So let the gross profit of ABC Limited will be 50,000 on 31st March 2019. Salaries paid during the year was 25,000, of which 5,000 was still outstanding. Means outstanding amount is 5,000. Insurance premium दिया गया क्वेश्चन में, that is 12,000. Okay, and 2,000 unexpired. Unexpired means that is basically not expired. Advertisement charge they have given that 3 year was rupees 24,000. company had fixed asset worth rupees 1 lakh which depreciated 5%, means depreciation charge कितना है 5% rate. Okay, then company earn a commission of rupees 7,000 and receive a discount of rupees 3,000 on its sale. Prepare a profit and loss account. So all the value that they have given. Okay, इवन ये सब क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने का प्रोसेस क्या है? व्हाट आर द प्रोसेस फॉर सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन? First of all, you have to analyze that on left side what we have to write, and on the right side, or you can say credit side, what we have to write. Okay, and how we will basically go through that the process, or you can say I have already said that what you have to write on the left side and what you have to write on the right side. So इसकी मदद से आप 2-3 बार मैंने देख लेंगे, then you will have a clear cut idea. Okay, otherwise you will just practice. When you will practice the 2 or 3 questions, then you will get clear cut idea that what you have to write on the left side and what you have to write on the right side. Okay, initially में आप हेल्प ले सकते हैं ये चार्ट का, बट आफ्टर दैट आपको दिमाग में रहना चाहिए. ओके, बिकॉज एग्जाम में भाई आपको चार्ट प्रोवाइड नहीं किया जाएगा. ओके, so just we have write in the left side salary, add outstanding insurance premium, less advance, advertisement charges. So these are the things that we have already written on the left side. And on the right side we have written gross profit, commission on discount received. So this we have written on the right side. Okay, so similarly you will get the profit here. Okay, आपको क्या करना है? सबसे पहले सबको सम करेंगे, then you will get the total debit, and when you will sum total credit, then you will get total credit value. Okay, if credit is greater than debit, then you are in profit. If credit less than debit, then you are in loss. Okay, loss आया guys, then you have to write here. If the profit came, then you have to write here. So just you have to do the sum. When you will do the sum, then you can clearly visualize that it will be both side equal. Okay, ये आपका ध्यान रखना चाहिए. अगर आपका लास्ट में भाई दोनों इक्वल नहीं आ रहा, then you are making something mistake. आपने कहीं गलत मिस्टेक किया. Okay, so be careful in that. एक यहाँ ध्यान रखना that here less advance is 2,000. Okay, 2,000 एडवांस दिया गया and that will be less because I have already said that advance you have to less that. Okay, so 12,000 minus 2,000 will be what? 10,000. Okay, similarly यहाँ पर अमाउंट लिखना है, टोटल अमाउंट. ओके, सो सैलरी 25,000 है, आउटस्टैंडिंग 5,000. तो सिमिलरली यू हैव टू ऐड इट, देन यू विल गेट द टोटल अमाउंट इज 30,000. 25,000 प्लस 5,000 30,000. देन इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम 12,000. सो जस्ट यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 2,000 दैट इज इन एडवांस 10,000. सिमिलरली एडवर्टाइजमेंट चार्ज दे ऑलरेडी सेड दैट इज द 1/3 ऑफ 24,000. क्वेश्चन में बोल दिया गया. ओके, दैट इज द एडवर्टाइजमेंट चार्जेज. ओके, वेट आई एम शोइंग. So I think where they have given, I think they have already said means yeah, advertisement charge is 24,000 for 3 year. 3 year means what? For per year. क्योंकि आपको भाई ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट और यू कैन से प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट कब बनाना है? 1 साल के लिए. ओके, सो 3 साल के लिए अगर 24,000 है, then for 1 year will be what? 24,000 upon 3, that will be the 8,000. So similarly you will get the value, and after that you will get the final sheet. So these are the complete lecture of the trading account guys. Okay, so I hope it will be clear, and after that means after watching all that video you will be able to create the profit and loss account and as well as trading account. Okay, so if you are facing any issue, feel free to ask here. You can also follow me on WhatsApp, Instagram or Facebook. Okay, and you can basically communicate with me. I will try to reply all as soon as possible. And if you have any doubt or anything, feel free to ask here. Comment में आप पूछ सकते हैं. I will try to reply. Okay, and I have already said if you haven't joined our group, then you can join that too. Okay, hope informative to you. Must share this video with more number of friends so that most number of students can get benefited from you. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video.